If you need to reset your password on LPL Financial, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the LPL Financial website. Go to the official LPL Financial website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for password reset link from LPL Financial. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can return to the login page and access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to LPL Financial's customer support for assistance.